finally we will harvest our rice, which we planted April. My initial plan was harvest this Tuesday, which is 10/27th. But like a big typhoon hit that day. So like if we get the typhoon, they fallen, and then sometimes we drop a lot of the harvest. So like today we invite the big machine to finish everything like in 1 hour, 2 hours. So this year, it's a bit different way to avoid typhoon. But like really, this year it's because of the weather, good condition. But some part very close from the entrance, the deer ate.
Oh my god. Oh
but
yeah.
very small amount, that's fine. This one is like for baby, it's a bit small. But in the past, even in the past people did all by hand. And even now, like only the hedge of the field we do by hand because our machine cannot go that part. So to harvest, to hold. The rice is like this, and then once it's becoming like this yellow color, inside it's good brown rice. We peel the skin of the brown rice, it's becoming to the white rice.
Oh wow! Can you do that again?
Okay.
Yeah.
Holding. For here, like 10 centimeters left.
Ta-da, ta-da.
めちゃくちゃ硬いよ。
これで、
あるもやる。
あくじゃ下とか。そう。
Becky-san, why do you bring Haruki today?
It's better to understand how his food are made. And rice harvest is like only 1 day per 1 year. So I think.
Yay! So what will happen if we don't harvest today, but the typhoon will come tomorrow? We lose all the rice?
Tuesday. The weather-wise, tomorrow rain でしょ。なんで、if we wait and after Tuesday, I assume really strong typhoon like they fallen, and then sometimes they fallen and we need to get back and then harvest. So it takes a lot of time. And also if we cannot harvest just after that, once they fall and touch to the field, the rice start to grow to make the new growth. That's really decrease the quality. So that's why mostly my basic rule is if typhoon comes, it's better to harvest before if the rice is ready to harvest. Our initial plan is harvesting on 27th. So that's timing wise it's good. So but like because of my schedule, I cannot use like whole 1 day or 2 days till 27th. So I hired a big machine to finish as soon as possible. ストローでこうロープして、でこう。Naturally dry. Even now, really some people do it. More like now we are using actually
machine
factory to dry. Once machine gets bigger, like ability is really high, so fast and so powerful. The machine also have a function to cut the straw of the rice to getting back to the soil. And then mostly before winter, digging, more like just after the harvest is better to let the straw be compost, getting back to the soil. Like by mixing is earlier is better. And also there are several not fertilizers, a kind of, how can I say, the materials we can purchase from the company which proceed the composting of the rice straw. That's also good for preparation for next year.
Isang, do we normally use this machine or not?
No, like in general we are using really small one. But we use machine but small one, and it took like 1 day, 2 days. But today we let him do by using big machine to finish. Even today, like afternoon, it starts to rain. Tomorrow rain, and then typhoon. So it's only time we need to finish.
Deki-san, where are we going?
We are going to the rice centers. Yesterday, like we harvested the rice, and then after the dried, and then peeled it really hard shell, and then we can receive the rice as a brown rice.
Okay.
And then we store it as a brown rice, and then just before we eat, we peel it, and then as a becoming to white rice.
Yes.
This is the 4th year, and then my techniques improved. So last year we only got the harvest was like 620 kilograms, but this year is, I don't know in detail, but they say like over 800. So like really good harvest.
Sarah-kun daijoubu?